Hi, today we are going to look at how we can create or produce statements, customer statements in QuickBooks Online. This account statement is important so that you can reconcile with your customers to see the invoices you've issued to them, that it is sales, and also the payment you've received from them and if there's any return. So I'm simply going to create a transaction now. Then before we create a transaction, let's check our statement. So if you want to check statement, you click on new. From the customer column here, you go ahead to click on statement. So once the statement is on, you have option to select all customers statement to review their statement, or you select one. In this case, you can see we have lots of them selected. I can deselect in this way and select them individually, or deselect. Okay, so let's select all. Now you have to be careful with the date also, so that you are sure that you are selecting the period. Okay, this is statement date, which is 14th of March. Then statement type is balance forward. Then customer balance open, you can put all. Then the start date, you can also move that to 2020. Just using for example, I don't know if it has a record. Let's just leave it that way. Okay, so you click on print or preview. Now from print or preview, you are able to see those statements. So you see the statement here for Ami's bed. There is transaction brought 0. There's an invoice of 205. There's a payment of 105, a remaining balance of 100. There's another invoice of 10459. These are the balance. So this you can share with the vendor. This is Craig's Design Landscaping Service Company that we have now. So this statement is to Bill Chini. The next statement here is to Grace Parent. Okay. And the other next statement is to Peter Dukes. So this is a statement, account statement for customer statements that you can send to your customers to carry out reconciliation in case of any dispute. In case any dispute arise, this is an easy way to pull out of those disputes. So, but just so we are clear, let's enter a transaction now to see how this record will reflect on this account. So let's go for a more the customer with fewer transactions, or probably we'll just pick any customer. So let's go with this person. This invoice for guitar. Okay, guitar. So we only have 629 as the invoice amount. So I'm going to click here. I'm also going to click here. Then you can also send from that platform. Okay, so let's create an invoice. I'm going to be creating an invoice for guitar. Okay, so let's click on drop down, or better still, we'll search. Okay, I think this is guitar. So let's enter a transaction with guitar pump. So let's have it for 500. I want to see 500. So taxable or not, let's remove tax for now. So I'm going to go straight ahead and save and close, or save and send if you have the email of guitar. Okay, so we've created an invoice for $500. So the next thing we're going to do is to receive payment. In my last two videos, I created how to record invoice, and also how to record payment receive on invoice. So now we want to receive payment from guitar against this $500 transaction we just entered. So I'm going ahead to select type guitar. Now Now, if you remember, there are two invoices on Gita. This was the invoice that is available on Gita, but I'm interested in this one. Okay, so let me just go ahead and put 250. So let's say Gita is trying to checking the balance and is telling us that we are owing, he or she is not owing us any money. So let's just put 450. Okay, so this is the payment we are receiving against this 500. Okay, so maybe there's a part payment. I will write as memo, and I also attach the payment, the evidence of the payment that I received. Then also include the payment method, if it is cash, if it is check, the reference number, and deposit to checking account. So reference number is 11001, like this, and that's today's date. So amount received is 450, and you can just put a note: part payment, part, part payment. Okay, then I will attach if I have the evidence. Then let me just go ahead, save and close. So now let's go and generate our accounting statement for Gita. Okay, so click on this, new, then let's go for statement. Now the statement is out. Okay, so we're waiting for it to come up. Then we'll deselect everything and select just Gita. So but now click on print or preview. Now you can see there's an additional 500 that came in, and also 450 that reduced the amount to 679. So this is an account statement between you and the customer or client. You can also decide to save and send. You can also save and send here, because as you can see there is an email address provided here. So this way you're able to reconcile with your customer, maybe on a monthly basis, maybe on a weekly basis, based on the volume of transaction you enter with them. So this is how to go about that. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.